we're in the living room. So we're getting this area into place. There's going to be some cabinets here for storage. And then I believe there's going to be an overhead thing. There is in the designs. I'm not sure if we're going to have time to get it in for the physical unit. That's going to be on display, so we'll see how far we can get, but I'm hoping we can, because we have a nice additional storage area up here, which is important. And then we have our wine cooler is going to go right here. I'm not sure if I think that's probably for above these cabinets here. So here we're going to have a wine cooler, and then there's a warming tray, and then a coffee maker. It's going to go right here. Then storage above that. And then there's going to be a cabinet here with, I think it's going to have a glass door. But yeah, and this is coming together. We're going to have a couch. We'll have a flat screen. Actually not flat, it'll be curved. Because we do have a curved wall. We're going to try to get a curve that matches the wall as close as we can. Don't know how doable that is, but we'll see what we can do. Yeah, there are curved screens available. We just don't know if we have a matching radius. We need about a 5-meter radius. So we'll see if that can be done. 5-meter radius means that basically the radius of this curve is 5 meters away from the center of the center of the cylinder, basically. So from that wall to the center of the spar, the center of the home, is 5 meters distance. So that radius there is a 5-meter radius. So I don't know if they make TVs with a 5-meter radius. It doesn't mean it's 5 meters long. TV can be 60-inch or 70-inch or 50-inch, whatever it is. It just has to match that radius, hopefully. Otherwise, we're looking at using a projector that projects an image on the wall. And since you have a perfectly white wall, it would look perfect. So that's another option. The only consideration was that when it's during the day, it's really bright in here. So we do have curtains. We weren't sure if we're going to have curtains for the launch, but we will have curtains. They're being shipped. It's going to be here pretty close to the last minute, but we'll have it on time. So we'll have curtains going all the way through here, so we can shade this area, so you would be able to project an image on the wall and still see it. So that should be fine. And then I'll turn this around so you can see the views out here, because they're pretty stunning. And of course these doors slide all the way open, so it looks, you can have an outdoor room basically in your living room if you like, and I think a lot of people are going to like that.